Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is 10 to 9 on a Sunday night. I leave for the airport to go to Amsterdam at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning and I need to wash my hair and I have not packed. So we have a bit of work to be done. I'm gonna do my hair oil routine and then I'm gonna start packing. I only have a carry-on. I literally mean a school bag. Okay, I low-key got stressed and I finished packing and I'm about to go wash all this oil out of my hair. This is my bag. Got all my clothes in there. That's my handbag. I've got a pair of boots down there. And I'm gonna fit this in the top. Just need to put my razor in when I'm done showering. And then this is what I'm wearing to the airport tomorrow. And I'm bringing 2 pairs of boots instead of any runners because Amsterdam, when I was interrailing and the fashion was not the greatest. Okay, so I'm fully packed. This is my bag. She's pretty chunky. It's not focusing today for whatever reason. I'm packed and my hair is washed clearly. I tried to diffuse it, but it's still soaking wet. So I might try again in a bit, but my bag is pretty full. It's pretty heavy, but I usually wear a school bag size bag for my carry-on up until recently. So everyone pray. Now I'm gonna clean all my clothes just put them away because I hate coming home to a messy room from holidays. And then I'm gonna go to bed. The next clip you will see, and yeah, hopefully next clip I will be all ready at 5 o'clock in the morning on my way to the airport and it's not focusing again, so we're just gonna go. It's the lighting, but I will see you guys in Amsterdam. Bye. Okay, made it to the airport. The scran. We're on our way. Our flight's finishes boarding in an hour, so we're at Lake Winds, walking to the gate. Amsterdam. It's a bit crowded getting through the airport, but we're here. I changed because it's very whole bruised. We're at this really cute cafe called Pucks, I think. So avocado toast with eggs. So excited. Got really on. Hey guys, we just did our photo booth. You're not in it. We're on the canal. It's really warm, so I have to put my hair back because I can't tack it anymore. I'll show you our photo booth. So romantic, guys. How cute!
Oh, very cute.
As all. Then we got too warm.
I'm feeling it, but I'm not feeling it.
You feeling what?
But I'm not.
You don't like it? You mean?
So.
Swimming in the sea with the salt in my hair. Is the salt in the hair? In my hair, I think. It's nighttime. Hello. It's a video. La la la.
Manor Books down to the scout thing, and then I just go in for the hour or so. Where?
Okay, y'all. Here at a pancake shop. And yeah, that's all. They're yours. Ooh.
Who won is the real question.
Optional pancake rubbers.
Huh?
Rate your pancake.
Oh, oof. 9.
9. Took mine. Like 7. It was good. It was good. What?
You know.
Oh, stop. Vlog. Wolf like wolf.
W-U.
No, it's wolf like wolf. So nonchalant.
Sorry.
So nonchalant. Yeah. Not really. We're on a canal boat. Very hot. Got an open roof, luckily. Yeah, so we've got an hour of this. Then probably go shopping again. Knew it was.
Very international city than from the unique perspective of its waterways. There certainly are a lot of them.
Never far below the surface.
It's always your resting face.
Got our fable fruits. Have to be done. With the truffle mayo. Oh, sorry, did I stab you?
Oh, excuse me.
What?
I said a word that.
That wasn't our video. The view is spectacular. Smooth.
like have you ever?
Okay, everyone, rate the dinner.
I'm gonna say 9. I'm gonna take it in stages. I'm gonna say vegetables were top class. They were definitely a 9. I would say croquettes were an 8. I'd say
It was a lot of experimentation, Robin. I think the dessert's gonna bring it up a point, I think.
Okay, what was the original point?
I'm at a solid 7. Dessert's my thing.
I've recently become a rare steak eater and I feel like a vampire. So I'm giving it a 9 also. I'll match you.
This will be a 10 though.
Yeah, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good.
What you got there, Rob? Miss 60. They're vintage.
Size.
2. And we got some dogs barking out in the wild. Freaking cute outfit. Oh, I can't do it that way, I forget. And Rob's got his new vintage fit also.
Okay, vlog.
Here at Lucian's Cafe. It is a rainy day in Amsterdam and Rob has forfeited his jersey. Thank you, Rob. So kind. His spectacular brother brought us matcha with coconut milk and croissants. So we're not that hungry, but we're splitting a breakfast. So romantic. We're having eggs Benedict Norwegian because that means it has smoked salmon. And I got scared and we're accidentally now paying for water. So sauce Rob. Yeah, I feel like this has just been a foodie tour of Amsterdam. We've kind of just eaten and shopped. We're going home today, so haul pending. Yeah, that's all. Stop looking like you hate me.
We zijn met z'n viertjes. Ja, waar we weer.
Our flight has been delayed by almost an hour, but at least my outfit is cute. I feel like such an idiot, but there's been Miffy everywhere, so I'm wondering, is Miffy Dutch? So I used to like watch it as a kid and I never realised. Cute though, I love the yellow ones. They're all smelly though. I got these hoops today. They're pretty good. They were like 35 and they're stainless steel. Yeah, so I'm just going on a hunt. I was hoping to buy some makeup in the duty free, but there's only like Chanel. It's just a bit out of my price range.
Oh no. Bad? Really bad?
It's just very like lumpy.
It's those, isn't it? It's the fact that it like looks like a box.
It looks like pregnant.
Just want to do it?
No.